God. Blake, where are you going at midnight?
I'm leaving to go to Walmart this hour to avoid the long lines.
Really? But you're waking me up. You know, every time that garage door goes up, it is noisy and it wakes me up.
You're making a big deal out of nothing.
Really? I'm making a big deal out of it? I had a feeling that you would do something like this tonight. So when you go to Walmart, make sure that you pick yourself up some bandages.
What? Why?
Look in the back seat.
There's a bomb back there. Are you serious?
You're about to find out just how serious I am in about 5 seconds. Why is my husband so vengeful?